What are you up to, Alita?
Saving the world.
Our world is long past saving. I thought that was always your point.
But I didn't say our world. Goodbye, Wolf.
Alita?
Morning, Mama. Brought you some coffee. Just be careful, it's a little hot.
Oh, thank you.
Can't keep...
Fucking idiots.
게임을
You okay? You get us bodies?
I'm working on it.
그때
$10 million, Bob.
Who the fuck is this?
25% has already been deposited into your account. That's how much I believe in you.
Maybe tell him about your daughter.
In that little bungalow of hers. Baton Rouge, isn't it?
I'm gonna give you a friendly warning here, mister. If you let Burton Fisher touch this engine when you wouldn't let me, I might have to just go and shoot you both.
Tell me you didn't run into this man with that tired-looking truck of yours, Billy Ann.
But some folks can't seem to believe a woman might know how to fix a car.
I think the young lady simply misunderstood me.